Ever wondered how you can transform your living space with simple DIY hacks? Well, you're in for a treat. Picture this: a world where everyday items become your magic wand, casting spells of functionality and style. These aren't just quick fixes, they're long-term improvements that add a personal touch to your home. All you need is a handful of common household items and a sprinkle of creativity. So get ready, because it's time to unleash your inner DIY magician. Now brace yourself as we delve into the world of DIY magic. Believe it or not, that old ladder gathering dust in your garage can be your next bookshelf. Yes, you heard that right. Repurposing, the art of giving an old item a new lease on life, is all about creativity and sustainability. It's like a magic trick, transforming the mundane into the marvelous. Consider the ladder, for instance. With a little sanding and maybe a fresh coat of paint, it can become a unique rustic bookshelf that's sure to be a conversation starter. Or how about those mason jars lying around? They aren't just for jams anymore. With a bit of soil and a few seeds, they can morph into quaint little plant pots. It's that simple, yet so practical. Repurposing isn't just about saving money, although that's a great bonus. It's about making your space a reflection of you, using items that may have otherwise been discarded. With a little imagination, everything around you can serve a new, unexpected purpose. Why call a professional when you can fix minor issues yourself? Home is where the heart is, and a little care can go a long way. Let's delve into some quick and easy DIY fixes for common home issues. Got a squeaky door that's driving you bonkers? A quick spray of WD-40 on the hinges should do the trick. No more irritating squeaks to interrupt your peace. A leaky faucet that's playing out a rhythm of its own? A simple twist of a wrench can tighten things up, saving you both water and sanity. Remember, these aren't just about saving money, although that's a bonus. It's about the satisfaction of solving problems on your own, the triumph in your self-sufficiency. It's about the joy of transforming your living space into a true reflection of you. And there you have it! With these DIY hacks, you can truly make your home a reflection of your ingenuity. You see, becoming a DIY magician isn't as daunting as it sounds. We've journeyed through the art of repurposing, explored quick and easy fixes, and unleashed your inner DIY magician. These home hacks are just the beginning. There's a world of DIY magic waiting for you. It's all about experimenting, learning, and crafting your own solutions. Embrace the journey, and you'll find it's not just about creating a functional living space, but making it uniquely yours. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves and transform your living space, one DIY hack at a time.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.